Hey, look at us. Who would have thought? Definitely me. The FMCI plus Tattoo Chef merger vote was passed today. And in the next few days, Tattoo Chef Inc. will be a public company trading on the stock market in the Nasdaq stock exchange. Hey there, Lincoln here from BoWAcademy.org. Today, let's talk about Tattoo Chef Inc. and what the merger vote means for us as investors in FMCI Foreign Merger 2. It's been a long road since the FMCI Foreign Merger 2 team announced that they were going to merge with Ittella International to become Tattoo Chef Inc., trading publicly on the stock market. We learned about the merger back in June of this year, and since then we've seen the stock go from $10 per share all the way up to $28 per share, and now it trades around $24 per share. We've even had to vote to extend the deadline for which the merger had to be completed from September 30th through October 30th. And today, the Foreign Merger 2 team delivered on their promise to hold a merger vote on October 15th of 2020. And now that the vote is in, all that's left is for the Foreign Merger 2 team to list Tattoo Chef on the stock market and have their stock trading as TTCF and their warrants as TTCFW. What we can expect in the next few days is that the team will complete the merger with Ittella International to become Tattoo Chef Inc. And at that point, the stock ticker symbol FMCI for Foreign Merger 2 will automatically change to TTCF for Tattoo Chef Inc. That will happen automatically. You won't have to take any action. And that goes for the FMCIW for their warrants, which will convert to TTCFW for the Tattoo Chef Inc. warrants. In this conversion process, you might see the value of your stock go to zero temporarily in your brokerage, especially if you're on Robinhood. This has happened multiple times in these SPAC mergers. So if that happens, it's just that your brokerage is going through the process of converting the FMCI ticker symbol to the TTCF ticker symbol. So it takes a little time and your stock value might display zero during the conversion. As for warrant holders, the team will make their best effort to register the shares for the warrants with the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, within 15 days. And following that, within 30 days of the merger being complete, your warrants will become exercisable, which means that you can exercise your warrants to convert them into common shares of Tattoo Chef Inc. Again, the team will make its best effort to make that possible within 30 days of the merger being complete. And of course, if you hold warrants of this stock, you need to be aware of what the dangers are. There's a clause in the warrants agreement that enables the team to call their warrants due if the common shares trade at or above $18 per share for 20 consecutive days out of any 30 trading days. We've covered this in great detail in two previous videos, one specifically for FMCI warrants and the other in general for SPAC warrants. So you should go watch those videos if you haven't already and you hold warrants of this company. And of course, if you don't know what warrants are, we've covered warrants in great detail in the past in a video explaining exactly what warrants are and how they can be used to save you money on common shares of a company's stock. So go check that out if you haven't already. And the last thing, the thing that everyone's concerned about today, after the merger vote was completed, the stock price went down and people are concerned about that. So I'm here to say, I'm not concerned. Why should I be concerned? Remember, I'm a long-term investor. And on this channel, we practice the bull mentality. The bull mentality is that we know what we invest in. We understand what we invest in. We believe in what we invest in. And we hold for the long term because that's how we build wealth in this country. That's how we give ourselves the best chance at success on the stock market. So I don't care about the short-term volatility. I know that this company is a great company. I've seen their numbers. I've seen their projections. And what I see is money. I've said that over and over again. All I see is money with this company. They are leading in the market that's only going to continue to grow. They're following a trend that they believe in, and that is the plant-based movement. They are producing and delivering great tasting plant-based foods to people who don't want to cook their own meals. And they make it super easy to acquire those foods. You can go to your grocery store, grab a Tattoo Chef meal from the frozen foods aisle, take it home, pop it in the oven or your microwave, and eat. Or if you don't want to leave your house, just go to tattoochef.com, pick what you want to eat, hit order, and they ship it to your house and you just eat it. You don't have to do anything. There's no thinking behind it. You're eating a meal that's not going to kill you. That is very important, right? The company is producing stuff that is good for people and that tastes good. Their numbers are showing that people love it. and people continue to ask for more. The demand is growing and the company is going to do the work to meet that demand. Right now, we've heard over and over again that they can't meet demand. That's why they're going public, to raise the money they need to meet the growing demand for their products, to meet the growing demand for the plant-based foods movement. People want more plant-based foods. Even Walmart wants more plant-based foods. They've asked their suppliers to produce more plant-based foods. We've covered that in the previous video last week, and I explained exactly what that means for Tattoo Chef and companies like Beyond Meat and investors who are betting on the future of the plant-based foods movement. So sure, the stock may be down today, but we've seen this over and over again with SPACs. We've even seen it with the biggest companies out today. Google went down, Amazon went down, Facebook went down, Apple went down. Everyone goes down. That's how stocks work. Every stock will go down at some point. So if you're trying to time the market and get rich quick by swing trading or day trading, yeah, you're gonna get caught when the stock goes down. But if you're a long-term investor who practices the bull mentality, then short-term volatility doesn't really mean anything to you. If you're buying and holding and you believe in the company that you're investing in, then you shouldn't worry too much about these short-term downturns. Stocks go up and down, that's just how it works. You can't control that, you can't change that. That's the nature of trading. The stock market is built on trading. That's just how it works. There's nothing else to it. It's like saying people breathe or people drink water. These are things we just know to be true. So no, I'm not concerned about the stock going down a little bit today. The stock has gone up and down over and over again. But guess what? The stock, FMCI, Foreign Merger 2, that we're investing in, is up 143% in the last 2 years. Guess what else? In the last year, the stock is up 130%. What's more, the stock is up 62.6% in the last 3 months. So yeah, the stock is down today. It's down for the week. It's down for the month about 4.5%. Sure, but again, the stock is up. If you invested back in June or July or August or September, you're probably still up. Me? I'm up 62%. I'm up $9,000. So why would I be freaking out? I'm still up. I'm still in the money. And I know we're just getting started. I know this company has a long way to go. They're very young. They're still a small company. I can see this company, Tattoo Chef Inc., reaching at least $100 per share within the next 2 years. So okay, if it goes up and down during that time, if for the next year it goes down a little bit and then back up a little bit and it reaches $100 per share within 2 years, I'm still happy. I can't wait. And even if it comes up shy of that $100 per share, I know that within the next 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40, 50 years, I will be better off for having invested in this company than worse off. I at least know that I would double my money within the next decade. And that's a very conservative estimate. I can see this 10x in my money within the next decade. So no, any short-term downturn is not going to make me sell my stocks. That's how you lose money on the stock market, by freaking out due to downturns when everyone's being fearful and you following their fear. If you continue to hold and buy when they're fearful, you're going to dollar cost average down. You start off at $20 per share and you see them get fearful. You say, okay, I'll buy at $15 per share. And it comes back up to 20. You say, okay, great, we're back to where we started. I'll buy some more. And then they get fearful again and it goes down to $14 per share. And you say, okay, hey, the company's still the same, the fundamentals are still the same, I'll buy some more. Right? So your dollar cost average down. And over time, if you're investing in a company that you believe in, that you understand, and that is actually a fundamentally great company that continues to work towards profit or is extremely profitable, then you have nothing to worry about. Unless you need that money right now or tomorrow, what's there to worry about? So I don't need this money. When I invest money that I'm not going to need in the next 2 years or 5 years. I invest money that I don't need. That's the whole point of investing. You make your money work for you. You send it out into the world and say, hey, I love you. Go make me love you more. Go bring back some money. Go find some friends. Get married. Bring some kids back home to me. Bring some friends back. I want to see more money, right? You give your money to these companies because you believe that they know what to do with it to grow your money for you. And in the meantime, you just sleep. You live your life. And you let them handle the hard business of running a business. Because you trust them, you know what they're doing, you understand what they're doing, and you believe in them. And over the long term, if all of that works out, you benefit from the appreciation of the value of your assets. That's how it all works. So Tattoo Chef will be fine in my opinion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not telling you to hold, buy, or sell. But for me, I have bought into Tattoo Chef. I'm going to continue to hold this company for the long term, and I'm going to continue to benefit from the appreciation of the value of this asset. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for coming along on this journey from FMCI to TTCF, Tattoo Chef Inc. I will continue to cover Tattoo Chef Inc. going forward, so if you're interested in that, subscribe to the channel below, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I publish a new video. Like this video, comment below what your thoughts are on FMCI plus Tattoo Chef Inc. and what you hope the stock price reaches within the next 1 to 2 years. And if you want to help the channel grow and get more access to me and more frequent updates on my portfolio, then join our Patreon community at patreon.boacademy.org. You'll be able to get direct answers to your investing questions, suggest videos that I should cover next, and engage with the rest of the community members. And you'll get merch such as stickers, mugs, and t-shirts in the future. And you'll have a chance at winning $200 every month just for being a loyal and engaged patron. So I hope to see you over in the community. I'm Lincoln with boacademy.org. Thank you again and have a great day.